In this video, we'll talk about some compound inequalities. The first one is 3x is less than 4 and 3x is greater than 0. So we're looking for a solution set, a set of numbers that satisfies both inequalities. It has to be true for this and for this. So the first one, we'll divide each side by 3 and we get x is less than 4/3. Divide each side by 3 and we get that. 4 over 3 is 4/3. We'll say, and what also has to be true is that 3x has to be greater than 0. So in another color, divide each side by 3 and we get x is greater than 0. 0 divided by 3 is just 0. So now we have two solutions and they have to both be true to satisfy. We want a set of numbers that makes both of those true. So let's just make a quick number line. We have 0, we have 1, we have 2, and I'll throw in a -1 there. Okay, 4/3. So let's graph this one. Strictly greater than 4/3. That's about right here. I'll put it on there, 4/3. And we want the numbers that are less than that. So shade to the left of that. And that's our solution set for the first inequality. We also want those numbers that are greater than 0. So we have that. So now it's this overlapping area that is the solution to both of those. So the overlapping area is between 0 and 4/3. So the total solution to these, red and blue makes purple, the total solution would be between 0 and 4/3. And I use these rounded parentheses to show that 0 and 4/3 are not included. We have the open circle there on the number line as well. All right, so we found the intersection. Let's make a note there. This is the intersection of the two solution sets. All right, next problem. 3x is less than 4 or 3x is greater than 0. We know the solutions there. We have x is less than 4/3. There are, I can say, the individual solutions. Or x is greater than 0. Now, plotting these on a number line, it's going to be the same as this. So I'm going to sketch that out very quickly. Let's see. We have a 0, 1, 2, and we'll do this in red. We've got our 4/3. Open circle, shading to the left, meaning it is less than. And we also have x is greater than 0. Open circle on that, big circle, and shading to the right, x is greater than 0. Now we're going to talk about the union. The union is everything that's shaded. So the solution to this compound inequality, that is, if it has to be true for this one or for this one. So any number that makes either this one true or this one true is a solution to the whole thing. So I'll put down here the solution to all of this. Now it just goes on to the left forever, so that's -infinity. And it goes to the right forever, that's +infinity. So the solution is all real numbers. All right, I hope that helps.